Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique.
Hi friends, in this video I just going to show how to make a bullet any words or paragraph or sentence on Google Docs. So you just need to select whether how many words that you want to bullets and how many paragraphs that you want to bullet or how many sentences you want to bullet on Google Docs. For first I just selected, so you can see the option on here, or you can also right click option. You can just click right click and you can have some other clear formatting option and also some suggestion copy paste for suggestion formatting, that everything. So you just click here, so just select it, then click here. It says checklist, and close to that you can see the bullet list. You just click that, it will be automatically have a default bullet style. If you want to change the style, you just need to click on the drop menu. So here you can see there is a lot other style. You can select the third style like box, or the fourth style the fourth style like a arrow, or the fifth style like a stars, and the sixth style as like a arrows. So these are the styles that if you increase the text, the automatically the bullet icons also will be increased. So you can use these options to change and select your bullet style, and you can bullet any words or paragraph or sentence by using this method. So if you like this video, just share this video with your friends and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And if you want more content about Google Docs, just follow this channel, and we will meet on next video with your valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a nice day.